What's up, everyone? It's your boy Edgardo, aka George's brother. Today we are installing my lights, putting some LEDs on the switchbacks. You know what I'm saying? Looking clean. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you see that, homes?
LED switchbacks.
Yeah. See, what's going on right now is we're trying to see if they'd flicker real fast. So if they do, we need to put some resistors in that. You know what I'm saying? And then,
dude, I'm not
even on, bro.
Alright, start it. Alright, we got the old one here. Got the new one. Alright, do your signal lights.
Hold up. I want to see this myself. Yeah.
Alright, you see it?
Oh, it's flickering bad, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, son.
So it's flickering bad right now. It's flickering bad right now. So what we're gonna do is, you got your resistors?
Yeah, man.
Where they at?
Alright, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something real quick. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. What's up, everybody? We are back. We got the resistor thingy McJiggers, and we are going to install them, guys. We're going to install them. Alright. I have no clue how to install them, dude. They install the engine, though, right?
Hey, but flicker it again?
Flicker it?
Yeah.
Alright.
And then the other side? It looks normal. Yeah, that's how they're supposed to flicker. That's how they're supposed to flicker, so that's pretty much what we're gonna do, and that's what these resistors are for.
Yeah, for those people that don't know what engine I have a 6.2 liter V8. Yeah, hard to believe, I know. I'm fucking young, I know.
Here, hold it.
It's not even my truck. I'm just kidding. April Fools, gotcha, boys.
This is pretty much what helps out your hyper flash. So we'll get to that. So right now, they're already installed. There's that one. And then that one's in the process right now. But now I'll plug them in and then we'll see if they won't hyper flash again. Now we'll check the signal lights. Those are good. Check the other ones. There you go. The wide LED. So mine are pretty much the same, but they're blue. See? And then here are the switchbacks.